Good morning, and happy Monday. It is Gratitude Monday, and today, today I am thankful for National Chewing Gum Day. Now, I know that seems a little silly, but seriously, I love chewing gum. I have some jaw issues, so I can't chew gum like for more than 15, 20 minutes. Good morning, Joelle. Thanks for coming on. I got a little frog in my throat this morning, so sorry about that. But I'm excited about National Chewing Gum Day because, first of all, I do chew gum, even though I have jaw issues. I chew gum after meals, typically, because, one, of course, it freshens your breath. And if you've had chili, garlic, pizza, anything like that, it's kind of like you got to chew gum. You don't want to breathe that on somebody, or coffee breath or anything like that. So chewing gum comes and has really important purposes. Good morning, Nancy. Thanks for coming on this morning. And so I do chew gum, even though I'm limited because it can bother my jaw a bit. So chewing gum helps to freshen your breath. Also, dentists like you to chew gum after meals because it actually produces saliva on your teeth and helps to clean your teeth when you don't have an opportunity to brush them. So that's another reason for chewing gum. Now, even though I have jaw issues that prevent me from chewing gum for long periods of time, I actually have patients with jaw issues where the compression of their teeth coming together actually alleviates their pain. So chewing gum can be therapeutic and physical therapy for some people with jaw issues. So even though it's kind of a silly day and you think of kids smacking gum and blowing bubbles with their bubble gum, chewing gum is an important part of our life. So I have, when I have patients with jaw issues, I sometimes actually tell them to chew gum, but I also want to strengthen the muscles of the face and the jaw. So I tell them to chew gum for that purpose and to blow bubbles because they're actually using different muscles when they are chewing gum, when they're blowing bubbles, and then when the bubble bursts, they have to use different muscles to collect that gum back and make it into a chewing wad again. So I'm sure you didn't think you were going to get some scientific lesson about chewing gum this morning, but I'm happy for National Chewing Gum. What I don't like about gum is when people throw it on the floor and then you step on it and you get gum all over your shoe, or if you're leaning on the rail at a public place and they've got a fence and a rail and people have stuck chewing gum underneath it. And schools don't like chewing gum because the gum goes everywhere, so it can be messy. But there are really good reasons for chewing gum. I totally recommend the sugarless kind, and so would your dentist. And I recommend trying different flavors. So there's mint, there's peppermint, there's, strawberry, watermelon, whatever flavor you can think of, there's probably a gum flavor for it. But if you have jaw issues and compression or biting down helps, chewing gum can help with that. Chewing gum is also great when you fly. That's when I chew it a lot because I hate to fly. But when you chew gum, there's a relationship between your jaw motion, your ears, and your brain, and it can help prevent your ears from popping. And it can also help settle your stomach a little bit, especially if you're using a peppermint gum or a ginger gum. Those two types of flavors, and especially like essential oils and stuff, they can help to calm your stomach. So using chewing gum to prevent your ears from popping, using chewing gum to settle your stomach on a flight, those are another two reasons to chew gum. Same thing with descending. So if you have the ascent of a flight and a descent of the flight, then chewing gum can help with that as well. Good morning, Calvin. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you checking this out. So chewing gum, that's what I'm grateful for. What are you grateful for about chewing gum? What's your favorite flavor? Go ahead and put it in the feed and let me know what your favorite flavor is. I kind of like all flavors. I like watermelon. I like mint. There's actually a sweet mint flavor that I really like. That's my favorite. My kids love that as well. But I'm also a traditionalist too. I love the traditional flavor of bubble gum. The only problem with the traditional flavor is I haven't found a brand of gum that keeps the traditional flavor for a while. The mint flavors tend to last longer for me. And my other favorite flavor is cinnamon. And I don't always find that one too much, but I love cinnamon, peppermint. The sweet mint is my absolute favorite, watermelon, and traditional bubblegum. If I have to choose all of those, I'm going with sweet mint though. So go ahead and list. Thanks, Joelle. You like peppermint. I am not surprised about that with you, because you love the smell of peppermint too. So thank you for coming on today. Chew some gum today. Freshen your breath. Give some gum to other people, and use it to help relieve any jaw issues that you might be having. If jaw issues are resolved by compression. Let's see, Calvin says, yeah, he's about to fly back to Georgia. He's got green apple, watermelon, and strawberry. Oh, I didn't even think about green apple. That would be good. That sourness to it. So cool. I wish you safe travels, Calvin, and chew lots of gum. Get some gum in your pockets so that you have those for the flight. If anybody else is flying out this week, where are you flying to? I look forward to learning what flavor of gum you plan to have on your flight, and I wish you all happy travels. Thanks a lot. Enjoy this Gratitude Monday. What can you be thankful for about chewing gum? Take care.